In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy a Lovable app in Netlify. This process is quite rewarding and allows you to share your creative efforts with the world seamlessly. Let's start by building your app in Lovable, an intuitive platform that facilitates designing your application's layout and content. Whether you're crafting a personal blog, an intriguing portfolio, or an innovative web application, Lovable offers you the flexibility and tools to bring your vision to life. Take your time to ensure that everything looks just the way you want it, from fonts to colors and any interactive elements you may have included. Once you're satisfied with your design, it's always a good idea to use Lovable's Publish or Preview feature. This allows you to see your app in action, making sure all the elements are working and looking exactly as you envisioned. Now, with your app ready and polished, we can export your work over to GitHub. Within the Lovable editor, locate and click on the Transfer to GitHub, or alternatively, Connect to GitHub button. This step is crucial, as GitHub will serve as the bridge between your app and Netlify. During this process, Lovable will request authorization to access your GitHub account. By granting this access, a new GitHub repository specifically for your project will be created. It's all automated, so you don't have to worry about anything too technical here. Just follow the prompts and everything will be set up properly. With your project now hosted on GitHub, it's time to set up Netlify. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up, but if you already have one, simply log in. Once you're inside the Netlify dashboard, search for the option to add a new site. You'll then select Import an existing project or a similar feature, which lets you bring in your app from an external source. Next, choose GitHub as the provider. You'll then see a list of your GitHub repositories, including the one Lovable just created for your app. Click on this repository to select it as the project you'll be working with in Netlify. It's finally time to deploy your app. After you've configured the necessary settings, you should see an option to deploy in Netlify. Click on it, and your app will begin its journey to the web. Do keep in mind, the first build may take a bit of time depending on the size and complexity of your app, but hang tight, it's worth the wait. As the process completes, Netlify will build and publish your static files, culminating in a customized .netlify.app domain. This domain allows anyone to access your site live on the web. Congratulations, you've successfully deployed your app on Netlify and made it available to the world to enjoy.